Welcome to our guide on how to manage your Twitter notifications by disabling mentions notifications from anyone on Twitter using your PC. Follow these steps to customize your notification settings and control your Twitter experience. Step 1. Begin by launching Twitter on your PC to access your account settings. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In the left-hand column, locate and click on the Web Notifications option to manage your notification preferences. Step 4. Within the Notification Types menu, select Preferences to customize your notification settings. Step 5. Click on Push Notifications to further tailor your notification preferences. Step 6. Under the Mentions and Replies section, choose the option Off to disable notifications from anyone. Step 7. Ensure to save your updated preferences by clicking the Save Changes button. By following these steps, you can personalize your Twitter experience by managing and disabling mentions notifications from anyone on Twitter. Enjoy a more focused and customized Twitter feed on your PC.